Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own personal transport and logistic website like this one you can see now. Let me actualize. You will see immediately after refreshing this page, you will see enter your tracking code. But for now, you will visit the website before entering the tracking code to check the tracking. Alright, let's visit the home page. You can see everything is just excellent. You can see excellent this how it works. Our partners, you can see DHL, FedEx, United Post Services, UPS. This is a live map location of the company's location. I will later on show you how to change this live location. This is my contact number and this is the email for the company. You can see everything is excellent. Let's see about us. It's about us. Everything is just excellent. Let's see the contact us. Everything is excellent. This is a live map again on the contact us page. This is the contact. You can enter your details. Let me see, the person visiting your website will just enter his details and send a message to you. Everything is just excellent. These are the services. You can see services page, Rapid Express, agency delivers everything. Like everything is excellent. Everything is just excellent. Let's go to Airfriend. Everything is just excellent. You can just switch from here. Yeah, you can visit all the pages. Everything is excellent. It is excellent. Now let's try tracking. I've already created a I've already created the tracking. Let's just use that tracking now. Like you just click on track the shipment and come here, enter the tracking code. This is just a random tracking code that I've already created at the back end. Let's track. Now you can see the tracking page. This is the tracking page. The tracking details, you can see shipment details. This is senders details, name, everything excellent. Receivers details, this is the tracking number. Receivers details, everything is just Courier. You can see here I've selected UPS. You can see parcel description, consignment, dispatch location, courier status. This one is picked up. I created it from the back end. This is a dispatch date, estimated delivery date. Everything is just excellent. This is the current location of the package. Like you can see now, it in Narita International Airport. This is a live location on the map. The live location of the package on the map, like you can see now on Narita location. Now you can see enter a tracking code to track another package. Alright, let's go to the home page. Now let's go to the back end. Let's go to the back end. To enter the back end, I just need to delete this index and put admin to go to the back end. When I reach the back end, I need to enter the correct details to be able to connect to the backend. Let's enter. I've created the details from backend. Alright, now you can see presently I have two trackings on spot. Like first one is on hold, the second one has been picked up. Recently we checked the picked up package. Now these are the messages, just in case someone messages you from your website, you receive the message immediately on your backend. Now this will add tracking. Now you can add tracking every time you refresh this page. There's a different tracking code, like a unique tracking code that is generated, a 10-digit tracking code that is generated every time you refresh this page. That means every tracking that you create here will come with a unique tracking number. Alright, this is a tracking number. This is a sender's name. You can enter a sender's name, sender's contact, sender's email, sender's address, status, the current status of the package is active, inactive, picked up, arrived, delivery, on hold. You can choose any. Now this is a dispatch location where the package is supposed to drop. Let me say your client's address. Now this is the receiver's info. Dispatch location where the package has been sent, like where are you sending the package from. Now here receiver's information. You can see the receiver's name, receiver's contact, receiver's email, receiver's address, current location of the package. This current location, make sure the current location is exact because that's what my code will use to show the live location as you saw on the tracking page. Now this is the package description. You can describe how is it a gift box, is it let me say fragile package or all the like. This is a dispatch date, the date you send the package, like estimated delivery date, the estimated date the package will be delivered, the carrier. These are the carriers. You can decide to add your own carriers here. You can see UPS, UPS, USPS, DHL, FedEx. And after entering all this information, you don't have to click on add for it to add a new tracking to the backend. And after adding the new tracking, let me just try something. Let me Rayo Micro. Let me try send us contact. Let me just put some random numbers. Email. Let me put this one. Send us address. Let me just copy random address. Let me just copy this one and address here. Copy. Send us address. Let me just put it there. Package active. Let's create the tracking now. Receiver's name. Let me just put this one. Let me just put receiver's contact, random number as usual. Receiver's email. Let's put this one. Receiver's address. Let me enter the same address. Current location of the package. Let me enter this current location. Package description. Let me say gift box. Dispatch date. Say today. Estimated delivery date. Select. Let me say on the 29th. Some is just an example. Carrier have fully done UPS. Let me say DHL and add tracking. Do you really want to add this tracking? Okay. Now the tracking has been added. You can see okay, you saw on the page tracking added successfully. Now you can see a new tracking up here. With the new tracking active, the new tracking, you can update the tracking from here. You can see all the information are excellent. Let's go to the dashboard. Let me copy the tracking code. We'll check it later. Now let's go to setting. On setting, you can create a new user for the admin dashboard, like for the backend. For this backend, you can create a new user by simply entering the admin name and the password for the admin. Now you can just log out, and if you see after logging out you cannot go back. I've worked on it. You need to have the information, like you need to have the username and the right password for you to get access to the creation of let me say trackings and other like. Let's go to the front end. Alright, let's go to the front end by deleting this. Now you can see this is the front end. Let me track the thing. Let me track the new tracking I just created. Let's just track it as a client. See everything is excellent. This is a name I enter, this is a number, this is an email, this is a location. I enter the same location. You can see same thing. See, I choose the carrier, DHL, and this is the logo. Parcel description, gift box, everything excellent. As you can see, this is the current location, UMS, Passport, Iraq. As you can see on the map, this is the live location of the current location of the package. This is it on the map. Just to show you everything is excellent and worth you build. You don't have to do anything on this. If you want to get this code, or if you want to get this script, there is my contact in the description. As you can see on the screen now, this is my business contact. You can text me on WhatsApp and I will gladly give it to you at a very discountable, like the price is actually very cheap. So compared to the work behind this website, the price is actually very cheap. There's a link in the description. You can go and buy directly from seller. I've hosted the script on seller. You can just go there, pay and get your script now today and get your website online and working 100% for your company, for your personal use. It does not matter. Or is that you have your excellent website online and everything at a very cheap rate. You can see there's even a live chat. There's a live chat. Hi there, if you need any assistance, I'm here. Actually, after paying for the package or the script, you get a video on how to edit everything on this website, how to set it up, how to connect your website to Studio and receive your live chat on your phone and reply immediately. Everything is just excellent. Alright guys, this was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting regularly new scripts and new websites that you can actually like, that will simplify your life and everything. Alright guys, those who let me repeat it for those who need a script. All you need to do, go in the description, there's a link to go and buy from seller. You can go and buy from seller, or you can text me on WhatsApp to buy the script. Thank you for watching to the end. We'll meet in the next video. Ciao, bye bye.